Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about Chapter 2, Organization of Organisms, for IGCSE CIE Biology students, 0610, syllabus. Let's look at the features of animal cells. Animal cells contain a nucleus with distant cell membrane. You can see the cell membrane here. And their cells do not have cellulose cell walls. Their cells also do not contain chloroplasts. That's why they cannot photosynthesize. And they store glycogen as carbohydrate food storage in their cells. These are the features of plant cells. Plant cells contain a nucleus, the chloroplast, and cellulose cell wall. You can see the double layer here. This is the cell wall. The plant cell walls are made of cellulose. And since they contain chloroplast, they can carry out photosynthesis. And they store starch or sucrose as food storage in their cells. So this is the table of the plant and animal cell structure and function. It means these 5 structures are present in both plant and animal cells. The first one, nucleus. Nucleus contains the DNA, which is the genetic material, which controls the activities of the cell. They are the controller. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contains the cell organelles. Organelles mean the structures inside the cells. It is also the site of chemical reactions. Cell membrane. It prevents the cell contents from escaping. It controls what substances enter or leave the cell. That's why they are often called partially permeable membrane or semi-permeable membrane. Mitochondria. They are the sites for aerobic respiration to release energy. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the sites for protein synthesis. These are the structures that are only present in plant cells. The first one, cell wall. Cell wall prevents the plant cells from bursting because they are firm and rigid. It allows water and salt to pass through freely. Vacuole, often called permanent vacuole. It contains salts and sugars. It helps to keep plant cells firm. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts trap the light energy for photosynthesis. These are the features of all prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means they lack membrane-bound organelles. For example, bacteria. They are single-celled organism or unicellular. They have cell walls made of peptidoglycan. They have cell membrane, cytoplasm, and ribosomes, just like the other plant and animal cells. Even though they lack a nucleus, they contain genetic material as a circular chromosome of DNA that floats in the cytoplasm.
Hello, good bang ကထပ်တန်းရွယ်ကျောင်းသားကျောင်းသူတွေအတွက်အရန်ကိုအကျိုးရှိမဲ့ website တစ်ခုပါဒီ website မှာဆိုရင် GED, IGCSE LTS content ပေါင်းများစွာကိုအခမဲ့မြစ်တာနဲ့တင်ပေးသွားမှာပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်
They also contain plasmids, which contain extra genes for them. They lack mitochondria, chloroplast, and other membrane-bound organelles that are found in animal and plant cells. It contains glycogen granules as food storage in their cytoplasm. Some have flagellum for movement. Here is the note. You should be able to draw the plant cell, animal cell, and bacterial cell for your exam. You are not expected to draw it like an artist, but you should be able to draw them neatly in single lines without much interruptions, and you should be able to draw and label them correctly. This is about the identification of cell structures under a microscope. Organelles such as nucleus, cell membrane, and cytoplasm are visible under a light microscope, whereas ribosomes and mitochondria are only visible under an electron microscope because they are quite tiny. The plant cell, to identify nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, permanent vacuole, and chloroplasts, we can use a light microscope. But for ribosomes and mitochondria, we have to use electron microscope. This is the table of level of organization in an organism. The first one, cells. Cells are the basic functional and structural units in an organism. Sometimes this is the only level that is present in an organism, such as bacteria. Tissues. Tissues are groups of cells of similar structure, working together to perform the same function. Organs. Organs are made from different tissues, working together to perform specific functions. Organ systems. They are the groups of organs with related functions working together to perform body functions. Let's look at this picture. Here are the master cells. When they are grouped together, it is called tissue. So this is the muscle tissue. When different tissues are grouped together to perform a specific function, this is called an organ. So here is the organ. When different organs with related functions are working together, this is called an organ system. Now, let's move on to the last part of this video. Size of specimen. You are expected to be able to calculate magnification and actual size of the specimen. You have to remember this formula and equation. I'll give you an example here. The image of a root hair cell is 4.5 centimeter long. Its actual size is 1.5 millimeter. Calculate the magnification of the image. So it gives you the size of the image and the actual size of it. And it asks you to calculate magnification. So you use this equation. But please note that they are not the same unit. So you have to convert the centimeter into millimeter. So to convert the centimeter into millimeter, you have to multiply the 4.5 by 10. So they become same unit. And when you calculate this, you will get 30 as the magnification. Here, also note that magnification does not have units. So, to help you to be able to convert between units, please remember this table. This is for unit conversion. So this is the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon in next video. Bye-bye.